Your items can have different categories. For instance, right here we can find a category which is t-shirt, but I can create a completely new category, name it pants, and descriptions, all pants go here, for instance. Oh, I made a mistake, I do apologize. Click Save. Now the category is added and I can assign this item to a specific category. And inside the inventory, I can easily filter by categories. I will turn off the current filter I have and just input a completely new filter. I would select categories, is, and then select pants. And now because my only item has been assigned to this particular category, this is the only item I get. But you get the point. If you assign more and more products, you can easily and quickly find them and you can create any category you want. And if you go to settings and to company and scroll to the very bottom, you will find your inventory categories where you can edit them, delete them, or add a completely new category. If you have any questions, always contact us. We have our number right here, or you can write directly into our live chat and ask any questions that you might have. We will try to help you as much as we can. For the moment, I wish you a pleasant day and all the best.